Hello everyone, today we have something truly special for you. Are you ready for an incredible adventure in the world of artificial intelligence and creating amazing graphics? If so, hold on tight because today we'll show you how to use an amazing tool that's turning the way we create graphics upside down. During this quick tutorial, we'll walk you through the steps that lead to creating graphics that will amaze your followers and leave a lasting impression on them. Ready? Let's dive into the world of Leonardo AI right now. We go to the Leonardo.ai website to create a free account. We enter our name and email address to sign up. This way we'll be added to the waiting whitelist, but if we want to join right away, we can join the Leonardo.ai group on Facebook or Discord for instant access. After gaining access, we'll be redirected to the homepage, where we can find many fascinating and artistic works created by Leonardo AI users. In the top right corner, we can switch tabs to see the latest user submissions or go to the top tab to view rapidly trending creations. Leonardo, we have a very nice panel for reviewing other works so we can get some inspiration and tips here. Practice and training is the best teacher. When viewing works made by community members, you can view the details of the image by clicking on it. A window will appear with detailed data such as prompt that was used to generate the image, negative prompt that helps us get rid of unwanted things. When generating the image, we can copy this prompt to modify and use it later. At the bottom, there is a handful of technical information such as the selected model for generating the image, what preset was used, what grain was used. We can also use this during our work. On the left side, we can check what operations were performed in post-production of the photo. For example, whether the photo has had its background removed or what it looks like after upscaling. An interesting fact is that all images created by the user are his property and can be used for commercial purposes to earn money. If you are interested in this topic, leave a comment under the video. Alright, now let's get to the most important part, the User Tools panel. Click on AI Image Generation, and that's where the magic happens. On the left side, there are simple functions like choosing the number of generated images and the photorealistic mode, which will surely enhance the appearance of our shots. I'll show you a few simple prompts and tricks to generate the images we want. You see, it seems like this AI has tremendous potential, and it even has access to other well-known AI engines. It can download the generated images, upscale them, or even remove their background. Okay, now let's move on to creating a beautiful photorealistic image. We chose 4 variations of our generated image and the photorealistic mode, which is amazing. Just look at the effect. The prompt I used was young woman with blue hair, blue eyes, elf, portrait, mountains behind, 8K, high-resolution image, photorealistic, harsh lights, sunlight. We will also generate a photorealistic image of a black knight. The simpler and more precise the commands we give, the better the results we will achieve. When previewing the generated image, we can remove the background or even upscale it to high resolution. Returning to the photo creation panel under the window where we enter prompts, we can choose one of the predefined models or use custom models to generate our images. Each is unique and provides our masterpieces with a specific look. Next to it, there is also a negative prompt function, where we can enter what should not be in the generated image. 2 heads look a bit strange. In the window on the left, we can also change the resolution of our images. Okay, let's discuss one more very important feature of Leonardo AI. The alchemy function consists in selecting the direction in which the AI should take action. So if we want to create a dynamic image, we select the alchemy dynamic option. If it is to be an anime-style image, it is recommended to select the anime preset. This function will significantly improve our work. Remember that using this, you increase the cost of tokens to generate the image. Okay, now let's create an animated version of my favorite scientist, Albert Einstein. The effect is stunning, don't you think? Next, let's go to the Training and Datasets tab on the left side of the screen. Here you can create your own predefined models, feeding them with specific photos. Unfortunately, model training is available to paid users, starting with the cheapest plan. Okay, I have just created my test model, based on boxing fights. As food for my model was previously generated images from the fight between President Joe Biden and former President Donald Trump. Of course, when creating your own model, you can let your imagination run wild and create whatever you imagine. It is very important to place photos with a similar style, dynamics, or, for example, similar faces. For example, you can post photos of yourself in different poses, with different lighting or with different facial expressions so that the model learns to modify your face in a more realistic way. Then moving to the next window, we need to name our model, describe it, select the target resolution in which it will create images, and choose a specific prompt for it, as in my case, Fight Night. Another interesting thing is that you can create your own not safe for work model here, which will certainly be interesting to some people. Dear viewer, Leonardo AI is a powerful tool for creating graphics in various styles. You are only limited by your own imagination and a little practice. As you can see, you can even create Joe Biden in a Spider-Man suit by entering a simple prompt. In this short tutorial, I showed you how to quickly start playing with the most important functions of Leonardo. But there are also other interesting features, such as replacing faces or changing your photo into another photo. At the end of this video, you will see how the artificial intelligence sees my face, the real face in Cartoon Edition. I'm pleased to invite you to another video in which I will discuss in detail the canvas functions in Leonardo. I hope you liked the tutorial. If you have any questions or comments, leave a comment. I will be happy to answer them. Don't forget to click the like button and subscribe to the channel, and you will certainly not miss further videos revealing the secrets of Leonardo AI and other interesting tools that you may not have known about and may be of interest to you.